Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and this is Kat Budgets. I hope you guys are having an amazing Monday so far. Today is Monday, April 3rd. Today was payday, but we're not going to talk about that right now. The reason why we are here today is because we are actually going to be doing a Happy Mail unboxing, and this one is really exciting and I'm happy to share with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so you guys want to know who sent me some Happy Mail, and I'm really grateful. Soul Mama. Soul Mama reached out to me and they are so sweet. They offered to give me a cute little care package, and spoiler alert, I already opened it. So don't get mad at me. Listen, I was really excited to see what they sent me, and I wanted to share with you guys on camera what I received. I don't think I messed anything up, but in case I did, sorry in advance. But I just want to say thank you to Soul Mama for sending me this package, and everything that we talk about is going to be linked down below. So let's get right into it. But guys, look how cute this packaging is. Listen, I'm sorry, I already got it dirty a little bit. I'm sorry. But look how cute. I love like the stars and stuff like that. And like, listen, one thing about me, fun fact, I used to love stars growing up. That was like my thing. So I love this. Super cute. And they also sent me a small one. And they also sent me some cash envelopes. So let's open all of this, okay? So let's open the star of the show, okay? What could it be? What could it be? Let's open here. And guys, look how cute this is. Thank you so much. So if you guys order, when you shop from a small business, you support a big dream, and that is 100% facts. But if you guys are interested in their shop, their Soul Mama rituals, and they are on Etsy, I believe, and also Amazon. But guys, I received one of these and I am wicked excited. Look how cute this is. And yes, I am a Cancer, okay? Let's actually, before I open this up, but yeah, this is the A6 binder, and yes, you guys can use this obviously for cash envelope stuffing. And this also came with a $200 savings challenge. So if we open this, I actually didn't open this, so let's see. Ooh, it comes with budget sheets. Okay, I like this. This is so cute. Okay, it comes with a lot of them. I don't know how many. I want to say maybe like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 8, 9, 10, yep, with 10, and it comes with the savings challenge. So with these envelopes that they sent me, you can use the savings challenge to go inside. Love that. Yeah, you can use the savings challenge and put that inside the, oh, I love it. I can't wait. I'm gonna use this for sure. I'm gonna use this. All right, let me put this over here. Okay, so this is the binder, and then it also came with some cash, like some pockets. I don't know if we would call these envelopes, but they of course fit inside of the binder. So yeah, you can just have them face this way or that way, whatever way works. And you can stuff your cash in there. Okay, I love that. I think that's a great idea. And it also comes with these labels. And listen, one thing about me is that I love rose gold. So the fact that these are in rose gold, I am obsessed. So there's different options for different things if you want to label your envelopes with. Look how cute. Oh, date night, I love that. Splurge, I love this. This is so cute. And then a little more: vacation, dine out, insurance, groceries, food. I love this. This is so cute. So are these little pouches. I love them. And obviously they fit inside the binder. And like I was saying, you can put the savings challenge in here and then just stuff your cash. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's put these back in here. Because one thing about me is I'm organized. We're trying to be. Okay. Put that in here. And then, let's see. Put this, should probably put that back in here as well. Let's see. I definitely want to do this $200 savings challenge. I feel like that's a really good one to do. Pretty attainable. Okay. Put these in here. And then let's open up this pretty girl. Take this out of the bag. Ta-da! Oh my god, guys. This feels like really good quality. Oh, it's magnet. Oh my god, it feels really good, feels sturdy. I like it a lot. I think for me, for the value of this is worth it because you're getting something that is worth, especially for its price point. But yes, I'm a Cancer, and this is like engraved or embossed into, I don't know if embossed is the right word, but this is like in or part of the binder. It's not like a sticker or a vinyl. So this is really cute. But yes, your girl's a Cancer, July 17. Any Cancer babies? Water signs. Oh, look how cute. Okay, so it has these little pockets here for like your credit card or ID and stuff like that, or if you want to stuff anything in here or here. And then over here it says Soul Mama. How cute. I love this. And then these are, ooh, okay. How do I, okay. Okay. Let's take these off. Let's make her pretty. Let's make her feel at home. And then it also has two places for you to put a pen if you guys want to carry this with you on the daily. This is so cute. I love this. Soul Mama, thank you so much. This is going to be my new savings challenge binder. So stay tuned. I'll make a video on Instagram about that. Oh my god, I love it. And then this little cutie. Let's open her up. And then look, you also get a little thank you card here. How cute. And then guys, I received the yellow daisies, and this is gonna go with my nails that I'm getting done on Friday, which by the way, it's chipped. Don't judge me. But look how cute this is. Let's see. Let's open her up. Let's bring her home. Look how stinking freaking cute this is. Oh, open her up. Oh, doesn't want to open. Ooh. There we go. She wants you to stay closed. But oh my god, look how cute this is. I love it. Oh my god, these are pockets. You're lying. Oh my god. Okay, look. I don't even want to close that because I don't want to struggle. But look, they come with the little mini savings challenge. Mini $200 savings challenge. And then you can just fill this out. This is so cute. And I think, are these also budget sheets, like baby mini ones? Let's see. Guys, I'm struggling to open up everything. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, this is so cute. So I think what I saw, a little, what is it? A little bit of it all. I think she put it this way. Maybe you can use that. Like, that's cute. Ooh, I love what this says. Girls just want to have funs. That's on period. Okay, we just want to have funs. That's it. But yeah, I was right. These are mini budget sheets. Look how freaking cute these are. Oh my god, I love this. This is adorable. And these are baby mini little envelopes that go in here. So you could definitely use this challenge to go in here and stuff your $200. Oh my god, I love it. But if you don't want to use it for that, they actually also come with the same labels, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, I love it. Look. Oh my god. And it's rose gold. Okay, can you guys see that? It's rose gold. I love that. And you can use these labels and put them on here on top. But for me personally, I'm going to definitely do the $200 savings challenge with this one. Let's put her. Can I do this here? Let's see. What do you guys think? Should I put this for, actually no. I'm trying to think. Where should I put this? Maybe like this. I want to see girls want to have fun, so I can remind myself to do this challenge. Girls just want to have fun, okay? So it's a little covered by the daisy, but it's okay. But yeah, let's open this one up. You see? How do these open? I want to make sure that I'm opening it right. Oh, yeah. There's the slits are right here. So you just stuff your cash in there. How cute is that? Does this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many of these are there? Are there 10? You guys can do 20 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, yeah. So there's 10 that can go in here, and there's 10 of these that you can fill out. Oh my god, I love this. I am definitely doing this here. I love that. That's that home right there. And you could definitely use these if you guys are interested. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. I've been seeing people get these, and I'm like, these are so freaking cute. I love it. All right. Oh, put that on top over there. And last but not least, they also sent me some more cash envelopes. And look, let's open this. Oh. Oh, you know what? I love the fact, and this is the packaging, guys, Soul Mama. I love the fact that this comes with everything that you order. At least it seems like it, because I have 3 different products here, and they all come with this, and I think that's beautiful, because you can, you know, if you run out, it might come with more. Hopefully I'm not wrong, but yeah. Thank you. When you shop from a small business, you support a big dream. This is some of their information. So cute. And let's see which envelopes I got. So actually, the envelopes, these are the ones that can also go inside. Well, I have to double check, but I believe these can go inside of the Zodiac planner that I received, and I think I will be using these ones inside there because I don't like the other ones. But this also is like it's like a cardstock, guys. So what you can do, well, let's look at the ones that I received. So I got the animal one, and one thing about me is that I am a pink princess. So the fact that there's pink in here, I love it. I'm obsessed. Look at this. These are really cute. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Look at this one. Oh, the little turtles. Ooh, the bunnies. Are these pigeons? Oh my god. And then this is a butterfly. Look at how cute. I think that's a butterfly. Guys, don't judge me. But the cool thing is, so these labels, you guys can place them on here and then put this inside the envelope. You see? And then you would just stuff your cash behind it. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. I love it. I love this concept because you can change the labels on here whenever you want, ideally, right? Or you can just write whatever you want on it. We're all about, what's the word? Diversity? No. Multi-purpose, multifunctional. But yeah, this is it for today, pretty much. This is what I received from Soul Mama, and let me place these products out for you guys. That way you guys know what I received. And let me bring this Zodiac one out. This is what I received from Soul Mama. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so excited to have received this. I can't believe it. I just want to say thank you, Soul Mama, for reaching out to me. And sending me these things. I'm very, very excited, and I'm grateful that you guys thought of me and liked me enough to send me some of these items. Guys, if there's anything that I received that you liked, or if you want to see the variety of items that Soul Mama offers, then there is a link in my description box. It is an affiliate link, so if you do shop through that link, I do get a small percentage. It is 10%. Honestly, guys, the quality on these products, they're amazing, and that is just me being 100% transparent. Okay, this is good quality stuff, and the price point. I think, to me, what catches my eye a lot on these products is the price point. For a lot of items here on the budgeting community are a little pricey, and this is a great way to start using these products. So if you're interested, definitely click on that link down below and see if you see something that catches your eye. If you want to get your zodiac sign, they also have like other colored binders that I'm probably gonna get my hands on. And they have different colored ones of these ones too, so definitely give it a look down below. The description is in the link box, and the link is in the, oh my god, I just said that backwards. The link is in the description box below. But I will definitely be using these in my products, guys, so I really hope that you guys like these, because I'm excited to start receiving these and using them. I don't know why I just said receiving, to start using these. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram and TikTok. Both of them are Cat Budgets, at Cat Budgets, CAT Budgets. And then if you guys are interested in financial coaching, I do have a website. My website is catbudgets.com. So catbudgets.com. Okay. I will catch you guys on my next video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I'm excited. Soul Mama Rituals, thank you so much for reaching out to me and sending me these, and for providing me with the affiliate. I'm very grateful, and I just want to say thank you, and I'm happy that you guys reached out to me, and I hope that my subscribers will check it out, maybe buy a couple of things, because their items are really cute, and believe me, very, very, very reasonably priced, and you get a lot for a bang for your buck. So definitely check them out. Okay, all right guys, that is it for today for me. Stay tuned for a couple of videos that I have coming up, and I will definitely catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye guys.